Good morning, Lily. Time to wake up.
Good morning, Daddy.
Breakfast is ready. We have pancakes and fresh milk.
Yay! Pancake.
Do you have your lunchbox and books in your backpack?
Yes, Daddy. Everything is ready.
Have a great day at school, sweetheart. Learn lots of new things.
Thank you. Bye.
While Lily is studying at school, Mom and Dad are hard at work. Safety first. Let's build something awesome today.
Let's buy some fresh fruits and vegetables.
Can we get red apples and big bananas?
Sure. Let's pick 5 apples.
And 3 bananas. Don't forget the bread and cheese. Dinner is ready. Today we are eating fresh salad and delicious pasta.
Can I help set the table?
Thank you, Lily. You are a great helper. Enjoy your meal.
Time to brush your teeth and put on your pajamas.
Mommy, can you read me a bedtime story?
Of course, my darling.
Sweet dreams, princess. Turn off the light.
Good night, Mom. Good night, Dad.